Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another video over here, and today we are going to talk about how you can actually make money online completely for free without using any softwares or paying for some services whatsoever. This is a brand new method that I haven't talked about on this channel yet, so I'm super excited to do this video. Hope you are as well. Guys, if you are new to this channel is all about making money online in different ways, mainly through affiliate marketing. So if that's something you are interested in, consider subscribing, and at the end of the video, if you will like it and you will get some value from it, give me thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm so we can spread the information and the video to as many people as we possibly can. Now guys, before we dive into today's topic, if you are interested in how I make money online with affiliate marketing on a daily basis, then I have a free video where I explain it in great detail and show you how you can actually do it as well. So if you are interested in that, just click the link in the description below and I will see you inside of it. Having said that, guys, without further ado, let's dive into our today's topic. So guys, as you can see, I'm in front of my laptop over here, and for today's method we are going to use a platform that is called eclincher.com. right? eclincher.com is a social media management platform, right, that helps businesses and enterprises and agencies run their business through social media, right? As most of us know, all right, social media is a huge part of everyday's life of businesses, all right, no matter what kind of a business it is, all right, and running social medias is really a huge thing, huge part of these enterprises. Now guys, we are not going to use this social media management tool platform as a customer, all right, but we are going to make money using these social media management tool, all right. But before I show you exactly how and what we are going to do, let's talk a little bit more about this, because this is going to be very important, right? So as you can see, this is an only social media management platform you will ever need, all right? And as you can see, it is featured on different ways, all right? And as you can see, these guys are really top of the notch, all right? Top of the in the industry. As you can see, leaders, high performers, all right? Best estimated ROI, high performer, and so on and so forth, all right? So many awards. So this is really high quality tool, high quality platform that we are going to use. This is important, you know, so we can move forward, all right? Because what we are going to do and how we are going to essentially make money from this platform is by promoting it as an affiliate marketers, right? Now guys, before you freak out and you quit the video and go watch something different, this method that I'm going to be showing you is super easy. Anybody can do it. It's not going to take you long. That's number one. And literally anybody can do it, and you don't need to pay anything. It's a completely free method, all right? So just stay and stick with me for this moment. So guys, that's why I wanted to show you a little bit more about this product, about this social media management platform, because it is really a great product. And if you watch some of my affiliate marketing videos, I always talk about choosing great product to promote, all right? That's number one thing. So this should really help us to decide that this is a really good product. So guys, what we want to do now is go head over to company over here and click on the partner/affiliate program, all right? Now when you click on that, you're going to be presented on this website, on this page. So this is where it really gets interesting, all right? So you get paid for every subscription that you bring in, 50 to 100 US dollars, right? And that's something, right? Obviously I guess it depends on how many clients you bring in or what kind of subscription they choose, as this platform has definitely different subscriptions, right? But it is between $50 to 100 US dollars per client per paid eclincher subscription, all right? So guys, that's amazing, all right? That's, first of all, this is it, and you literally just need one or two clients to have $100 to $200 a day, all right? So that's amazing. Now, once we want to really apply and we want to get our affiliate links, we just go over here and click on apply here. Once you click on that, you'll be presented with this kind of a website, Right, you just need to fill in your details. Obviously not all of them are required. For example, company name, if you don't have one, right, you don't put that. Then here I wanted to show you that in the country it is available in almost any country. All right, I'm saying almost because just in case, all right, you never know 100% because I haven't done that kind of a research, but I know that there are a few countries that are most of the time questionable, or like there's a problem with them. For example, Bangladesh, which is here, all right, or Nigeria, which we can find over here, is also here. All right, so I know about these two, and if these two are here, then it is literally almost in any country. All right, so just fill in your details, obviously what you have. All right, click on agree to affiliate terms and do this captcha. All right, once you send it over, once you sign up, it takes maybe a couple hours to get approved. Once you get approved, then you'll be presented with your affiliate link. All right, and that's when it starts. All right, that's where we start. Now guys, how are we going to get our clients, or where are we going to get our clients? As you can see, let's just go back a little bit on this main page. We talked about this that this product is for small and medium businesses, all right, enterprises, agencies, and so on and so forth. So that's who we are actually going to contact. All right, the reason why is that these people have money. All right, these people have money, and it's actually going to help them. So obviously we're not going to just Google, all right, agencies, but we're going to go on platforms where we can find these kind of people. So we will use platforms such as Fiverr.com, all right, freelancer.com, peopleperhour.com, all right, or upwork.com. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using Fiverr as an example of what you want to do, but this applies to all of the other platforms. Of course, you are free to find your own platforms if you wish so, right? So what we want to do is you just want to type over here social media management and hit the search. Once you do that, you will be presented with a bunch of results, right? And this is what it is, guys. These are all the people who offer social media management services for their clients, all right? So what you want to do is you want to contact all of these people, all right, and offer them this social media management platform. The reason behind that is that these people have money. As you can see, the services starts at $45, $65, $145, $190, all right, $40, $85, $200, $195, all right, different variations, but you can see that some of them are really high, $220, all right, and this is just Instagram social media manager. Okay, 800, oh wow, $800, guys, here we go. All right, so what you want to do is you want to message all of these people, right, and present them this social media management platform. All right, now guys, obviously you don't want to just spam them, all right, the link, your affiliate link, anything like that. You want to create some kind of a sales pitch, all right, you know, talk about the benefits of this platform, how it's going to benefit them, how it's going to benefit their customers, how they're going to save maybe time, all right. Then what I highly suggest is to highlight the 14-day free trial, all right. People love free trials, all right. I personally love free trials, all right, and it's always easier to persuade someone to try something for free rather than to buy something when they don't know what it is about. Now, the great thing about this social media platform is that they offer free trial with no credit card required. Now, guys, this might seem as a trivial thing, all right, but it is actually golden nuggets, all right, because when you think about it, people want to try free things, right? But if you need to fill in your credit card details, you're reluctant to do it, right? And most of the time you just won't do it, and that's exactly with all the other people. But if it is completely free, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So people will really use it. They will try it for free. So you can maybe highlight, you know, no credit card required, just, you know, no risk, risk, just try it out for yourself and see if this is something for you. And after the 14 days, you can bet that many of them will want to stay with them because they are really, really good, as you can see, all right? They are the leaders on the market. So, so you are going to get these commissions and these sales from it, guys, all right? And as you can see, these people have the money, all right? So what you want to do is you want to contact, obviously, as many people as possible, all right, on all of these platforms. Okay, guys, this is a free method, so that means you are not paying with your money, but you need to invest that time, a little bit, and effort from your end in order to get those commissions. All right, guys. Now, the great thing about this is that you're not reaching out to a single person or somebody who is just trying to figure out social media, but you are reaching out to people who have clients, who have money, who have the cash flow, and they can afford this. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got tremendous value from it. If so, give me thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. And guys, if you are interested in how I make money online with affiliate marketing on a daily basis, again, I have the free video where I explain it in great detail and show you the steps how to do it. So if you are interested in that, just click the link in the description below and I will see you inside of it. That's it for today, guys. Again, I hope you enjoyed it. I wish you a great rest of the day and I will see you in the next videos. Bye, guys.